The core of this presentation will focus on how adaptive chatbots are transforming user experiences by leveraging two key elements: interactive learning and dynamic response refinement. As we dive into the details, we'll explore how these chatbots can continuously improve their interactions, adapting in real time to better serve user needs and expectations. Let's begin with an overview of what makes these chatbots truly adaptive and why they stand out in enhancing user experiences. As we begin, let's take a quick look at the topics we'll be covering today. I'll start with an overview of adaptive chatbots and set the stage for our discussion. The evolution of chatbots will briefly go over how chatbots have evolved over the years from rule-based systems to today's adaptive models. I'll outline the core technologies enabling adaptive chatbots, including machine learning and natural language processing. We'll delve into the mechanisms behind adaptive chatbots, exploring how they learn and respond dynamically. I'll showcase some real-world use cases across different industries where adaptive chatbots are making an impact. We'll discuss how adaptive chatbots enhance user experience through personalized interactions and continuous learning. I'll highlight recent technological advancements that are pushing chatbot capabilities even further. No technology is without its challenges. Here, we'll look at some common hurdles and the solutions that address them. Finally, we'll wrap up the key takeaways and look at the future potential of adaptive chatbots. Each of these sections will build on our understanding of adaptive chatbots and demonstrate their transformative potential. Let's get started with the introduction. Adaptive chatbots represent a major shift in how we interact with technology and are truly at the forefront of AI revolution. Unlike the rule-based chatbots of the past, which depend on predefined responses, adaptive chatbots take advantage of advanced machine learning algorithms and natural language processing. This allows them to continuously learn from user interactions, leading to more intelligent and tailored conversations. This interactive learning process enables these chatbots to refine their responses over time. They adapt based on user feedback, preferences, and engagement patterns. As a result, adaptive chatbots deliver highly personalized user experiences, making them invaluable across various industries like education, customer service, and digital assistance. With their dynamic responsiveness, these chatbots have become integral in enhancing user engagement and improving customer satisfaction. They also help optimize operational efficiency, making them a vital tool in today's digital landscape. The potential for adaptive chatbots to revolutionize how we interact with the digital platforms is immense. In this presentation, we'll explore how these chatbots work and what makes them so valuable for delivering personalized and engaging experiences. To fully appreciate adaptive chatbots, it helps to understand how chatbots have evolved over time. Traditional chatbots are rule-based systems. They rely on predefined scripts and can only provide limited set responses. These chatbots work reasonably well for straightforward tasks or narrow use cases, like answering FAQs. However, their limitations become clear in more dynamic, complex interactions. They lack the flexibility to adapt on the fly and can't handle unexpected user inputs effectively. Adaptive chatbots, on the other hand, are far more advanced and dynamic. Unlike traditional chatbots, they continuously learn from every interaction and update their responses accordingly. Three key features set adaptive chatbots apart. Continuous learning. Adaptive chatbots don't just rely on a fixed database. They use sophisticated machine learning algorithms to expand their knowledge base automatically. User feedback integration. These chatbots can adjust their behavior based on user feedback, allowing them to evolve in response to changing needs and preferences. Dynamic response capability. Rather than relying on static, manually updated databases, adaptive chatbots dynamically adjust and refine their responses. This makes them well suited for complex interactions that require flexibility and a personalized touch. On this way, adaptive chatbots overcome the limitations of traditional chatbots, offering a more intelligent and responsive user experience. Adaptive chatbots rely on three main technologies: natural language processing. NLP enables chatbots to understand and generate human language, allowing them to handle complex queries and provide relevant responses. Machine learning. With ML, chatbots continuously improve by learning from interactions. This helps them better predict user intent and deliver accurate answers over time. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning allows chatbots to learn through trial and error. They adjust their strategies based on feedback, optimizing responses for better user experiences. These technologies work together to make chatbots more intelligent and responsive, allowing them to adapt and evolve with each interaction. Here's a quick overview of how adaptive chatbots operate through interactive learning and response refinement. NLP processing. The chatbot uses NLP to understand user input, extracting intent and context. Response generation. It then consults ML models to craft a suitable response, leveraging prior interactions. Feedback collection. User feedback is collected either explicitly like ratings or implicitly from the conversational flow. Continuous improvement. Feedback is fed back into the system, refining future responses and improving the chatbot's overall performance. This cycle enables adaptive chatbots to learn and evolve with every interaction. Adaptive chatbots have a range of real-world applications across various fields. Like personalized education, they adjust their approach based on a student's progress, offering customized lessons or extra help when needed. Customer support. By learning from FAQs and feedback, they provide quick, accurate responses, reducing the need for human intervention. Digital assistants. These chatbots handle tasks like scheduling and answering complex questions, learning user preferences to improve efficiency. In conclusion, these applications highlight the adaptability and versatility of chatbots in personalizing and automating experiences across different industries. Adaptive chatbots also excel at improving user experience in three key ways. Personalization. By continuously learning, they remember user preferences and behavior by providing highly customized interactions. Efficiency. They use past interactions to anticipate user needs, making engagement smoother and faster. Engagement. With sentiment analysis, they adjust responses based on users' emotion, creating a more natural human-like experience. In summary, the ability to personalize, respond dynamically, and engage effectively sets adaptive chatbots apart in a user engagement. Recent advances in machine learning and NLP have significantly boosted chatbot capabilities. Deep learning for NLP. Transformer models like BERT, GPT, they enhance chatbots' understanding of context and nuance, making their responses more accurate. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning enables chatbots to adjust strategies in real time based on feedback, optimizing responses for complex tasks. Sentiment analysis. Advanced sentiment analysis allows chatbots to recognize and respond to user emotions, driving more emotionally intelligent interactions. These advancements continue to refine chatbot technology, enabling even smarter, more adaptive conversations. While adaptive chatbots are powerful, they face several challenges. Privacy concerns. Chatbots collect significant user data, so data privacy is crucial. Solutions like encryption and anonymization help protect user information. Complexity of human language. Ambiguity, sarcasm, and emotions can be tough for chatbots to interpret. Continuous advancements in NLP are helping to bridge this gap. Balancing automation with human-like interaction. Automation boosts efficiency, but can feel impersonal. By integrating empathy and emotional intelligence, chatbots can offer human-like experiences without sacrificing efficiency. Addressing these challenges is essential to fully realizing the potential of adaptive chatbots. In conclusion, adaptive chatbots mark a major advancement in conversational AI. By learning and adapting with every interaction, they deliver unparalleled personalization and engagement. These chatbots are already transforming industries like education and customer support, offering tailored solutions that grow with user needs. However, fully unlocking their potential requires addressing challenges such as privacy concerns, the complexities of human language, and developing more robust unsupervised learning methods. As we continue to innovate, adaptive chatbots will become even more integral to enhancing digital experiences across sectors. Thank you.